Welcome to the Warner Bros. Studios, the wizarding world of Harry Potter. We're here today.
Great Hall of Hogwarts. It was one of the first sets that was built for the movies as well.
Looks like there's fog and everything, which is a really cool thing to do. And Joanna's a nightmarish. So we're in the Harry Potter bus. And we came up top.
The double decker.
Yeah.
This is so cool. So to get to the Harry Potter Studios, which is in Waterford, we had to take a train from the Euston train station on direction to Waterford, and when we get there, that's when we get the Muggle bus. It's fascinating for me to know that, especially because I have a screenwriting degree, even though I never used it, that everything that was filmed and produced in this lot during the 10-year production. So everything is from the movie itself. So sit back and relax and enjoy with us.
Food hall. I guess you know where we're going. The better dining hall, which is pretty much where we're thinking about eating maybe a little bit, or maybe even before we go in. So we were going to eat at the more expensive one over on the other side, but that was $40 each. And honestly, when we were looking at food, it didn't look too much better. Just a little bit fancier seating. So we decided to just come sit over here.
That would be the English tea. So we could get it a little bit cheaper somewhere else. So we're probably gonna do it, but we're gonna do it a little bit cheaper.
So yeah, so we're getting fish and chips right now. In England, get the fish and chips, right? So I guess that's pretty popular. That's what the guy told us. So we're going with that. And we got ourselves some mango tea, was it? Or peach? Peach tea. It's Lipton, but it's peach tea. So we'll see how it goes. I'll show you guys what the fish looks like when it comes out. And then we'll go see some Harry Potter stuff.
I know what we can do. Do you want to glue it over here, the phone? No? Okay.
It's good.
Fish and chips. Again.
She's switching from her regular broom to
To the one that actually works.
Yeah, she might be a witch, but she doesn't fly.
I fly. I said I don't fly. Tell my secrets.
Please do keep moving forward. There's no need to queue in there. Please take a big step forward and fill up the space around you.
So this is showing obviously Harry's claws that they lived in. That's certain right there.
This is like a New York apartment.
Just about the same size.
This is the entrance now.
Yeah, we're in the entrance
Yeah.
coming through. Obviously the huge line going through. Oh, we thought that was very interesting. They're showing the dates and everything. Like 2000, 2001, 2011. Over here on the left is 2008, if I can get to it. It just shows all the dates. Way over there is 2005 and 2007.
Those at all? Okay, perfect then. So me and my birthday helpers are going to greet you with the words that Harry heard the first time he came to the Great Hall of Hogwarts. It was one of the first sets that was built for the movies, as well as being one of the largest. The Great Hall stood for more than 10 years on a sound stage, just over there, before it was then moved over here piece by very precious piece for all of you guys here to see today. And as you make your way through the Great Hall, you might notice that we are dressed and ready for our OWL examinations here, which can be seen at the moment. Now do keep heading on through, there's plenty of room for you all in here. We can fit 400 cast and crew members in here all together. So there's definitely space for all of you guys. And we'd love to get those Great Hall doors closed behind you because they do make for a fantastic photo opportunity. So do keep on heading through, and I will join you again in just a moment at the top of the Great Hall. Something like this. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, this is going to be awesome. I think Fred and George are going to start moving. Dumbledore's office. Now, at the beginning, we could not film. That's where they were introducing everything, showing us pictures, and it was very cool. They had interactive pictures. Unfortunately, they informed us that we could not film, so obviously we did not. We would have loved to. But now, fortunately, you can come and see it for yourself.
Sample of what you have here. So you have to come visit.
I think Harry was taking after my look a while ago.
Yeah, it was used a couple of
Until my wife changed me.
What did you say?
Until my wife changed me.
Change it because of what?
For the better.
Oh, to the better.
Yeah, naturally. So this place is huge. It's insane. And one tip we would definitely give you when you go to search online for this, go ahead, babe.
It's a World of Harry Potter, like Warner Bros. Wizard World of Harry Potter, I believe so. That's what you look for.
So they have tickets for like $130 each, and Joanna found it for like $50 each.
On the website.
On the website. Go to the
Bros.
Warner Brothers
Yeah.
website.
And keep checking every
And just
day.
keep checking it. And then it will pop up that there's availability. Well, it's like literally less, it's more than
It was
less
50,
than half.
It was 53 pounds, which came about
$75. Maybe less.
No, the two tickets was 130. No, it was
together.
together. Yeah, 130.
Yeah, but usually it's separate. So that's our little thing to you. Go to their website because everyone else will try and charge you a lot more. So the Goblet of Fire, the dance, the ball, whatever you want to call it. Here's the props to that.
Aww, the dress.
Yeah. Hermione was bawling her eyes out at the end in her dress. And it looks like chocolate, but it probably isn't. So he actually had about 300 or 400 people who were on the crew walking through to finish the set instead of bringing extras there. So they actually had 300 to 400 people on their crew to be the extras, so they didn't have to bring anybody in, and that helped with the secrecy and everything. And they did that for both movies. Where you see a bunch of people, it was all their crew. It wasn't anybody extra. It was awesome. So they have a lot of secrets that you can read about and show you. We just bypassed all that because you should come see that for yourself. But just this wall back here is amazing. It takes part of the Phoenix movie, and I love that wall. Oh, sorry. But yeah, they're like the Chamber of Secrets door. They tell you how that worked and everything like that. It's really cool.
Minutes and I'm sure I'll have fixed it. In the meantime, I did promise you a reward, so if anybody would like an acceptance letter, do come up to the barrier and stick your little hands out. I don't bite, I promise, unless it's a full moon. Otherwise,
one little tip when you're in here, all you have to do is Experium bathroomus. Now you got a bathroom. So we're going in here. Looks like there's fog and everything, which is a really cool thing to do. And Joanna's a nightmarish. Oh, nice. The rest will have to surprise you.
So if you like this type of content, please just hit subscribe down there so we can travel more and show more, because this is my passion. This is his passion.
Mine, definitely.
And
definitely like it too, please.
like it and subscribe and
Button down below.
And just have fun with us, because that's what we do. We just have fun.
electricity is playing up. Cannot show you this effect live. Come back in 5 minutes and I'm sure I'll have fixed it. In the meantime, I did promise you a reward, so if anybody would like an acceptance letter, do come